Shopify is currently offering its basic, grow and advanced plans at a price of $1 per month for 3 months, and you can see that they are usually priced at $39, $105 and $399. This is a very rare offer and it might disappear anytime soon. So before that happens, you can avail this offer by just going to the official Shopify page. You don't need any special link to get this offer. After opening Shopify, you can see that it says here, bring your ideas to life for $1 per month, and you can get this offer for 3 months. All you have to do is create a new account by using a new Gmail ID, click start free trial, set up a password, verify yourself and then create Shopify account. You will see some basic questions, you can answer them or just click skip, and you can see that the 3 plans are being offered for $1 per month for 3 months, and before that we also have a 3-day free trial. You can compare all the plans and choose any plan that you like. However, going for the advanced plan is a smart choice with this limited offer. Here, you can enter your credit card details or choose to pay through PayPal and make the payment. Or you can also skip the payment here, use the 3-day free trial first, and then after 3 days, you can avail the offer by clicking here on your dashboard. However, there is a slight possibility that this offer may disappear within 3 days depending on when you are using it. So this was how you can get Shopify for $1 per month for 3 months. If you want to know about an amazing AI tool that can build websites from scratch, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.